I used to take our little one to a playgroup, and at the end of the session they used to all sing songs and play music on the carpet, and he would never go. He'd always be right at the back of the room, so me and him would sit at the back of the room, sort of just doing it by ourselves, and then every week he'd get closer and closer to the carpet, and then like this one time then he did it by himself. He didn't need me there, and he was joining in with the other children. And I think that stands out for me, that having patience with him and doing it in his own time. Eventually,
not pushing him, and
eventually he was able to do it, and then he was louder than the rest of them.
I think, I mean, I had Mother's Day is tricky, isn't it, with fostering on both sides really, because you don't want to like force any issues there. And I had a Mother's Day card saying to a mother figure, I think she put it in that way. So she said it in a way that, you know, you're not my mum, but then she actually wrote down all the things that she was really grateful for in our relationship, and it was so lovely. And then she said, I may not say these things, but that doesn't mean I don't feel them. And that was like,
have a little cry now.
No, but it was just really, we were in quite a difficult time at the time, and you do feel a bit useless sometimes, don't you? But that made me realise that underneath that exterior there's things going on, you know? What about you? Little wins?
The little wins, just seeing the trust build up, you know? Because they do have a mistrust of adults, you know, when they first come to your house. You know, are you what you are saying you are to me, isn't it? So it's just seeing all those barriers.
Are they going to let me down?
Yeah, do you know what I mean? You know, seeing all those barriers come down and just, you know, allowing themselves to become part of the family. You know, so all the little things.